I'm Yusuf Sansur. I'm the owner-operator of Esoteric. We're a company that provides a multitude of different training platforms for law enforcement and military units to include explosive breaching. Initially, when we started the project, it was like we need to build a charge that is safe and yet still effective. The heart of UTK is the ultra tamping gel, which is our proprietary gel that provides the tamp. The advantages to UTK versus traditional charges is not just only reduction in NEW, not only is it a reduction in fragmentation, there's also an increase in consistency in the sense our charges are manufactured with very, very high tolerances. You got all the materials you need, whether you're building a pushing charge or a blasting charge, it all comes in one kit. You open it up, place your deck code in it, close it, and now you're ready to go.